in 75, 76 only, called Samudaya. Samudaya is one of the
Cultural movement.
progress cultural movement.
Was that associated with any Marxist movements?
Yeah.
Like
of course.
Jananata Mandali?
No. We have a rapport with Jananata Mandali. Sabdarajni and other people, we worked together.
Okay.
We work together. We have a rapport, but not with merged anything.
Okay.
We have a coordination also. Like that also. There are so many Marxist idea background people in that thing, and generally progressives, and all humanists formed a one cultural organization
Called
Samudaya.
Samudaya.
And first time in the history, and we are all become part and parcel of Samudaya after the Dalit Sanghar Samiti
Okay. Emerged.
emerged.
Okay.
Because personally I went to Samudaya because there is one of the powerful media to communicate.
Samudaya.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is why I entered to Samudaya.
Okay. You went there without any knowledge of your songs, or
No.
you went with the.
Because just I, in the beginning, I sung the songs in the processions and other things.
Oh, you used to sing.
Yeah, he used to sing.
Okay.
He used to sing. And Samudaya people also know I am the singer.
Okay.
But I don't have any idea to, through song, I am going to Samudaya, not like that. I got the effect of the media. I centralized.
That Samudaya had a good media.
Yeah, of course. That theatre.
Oh, that is theatre.
It's a theatre.
Theatre, okay.
Doing a theatre, professional, regular theatre, and doing small skits, drama, and actually he produced a street theatre movement in Karnataka. The subject is actually almost all Dalit subjects.
Oh.
See, one thing, the Patre Sangappa. I did the Patre Sangappa role in that Jata. Jata matlab, it's 1.5 months. The group of Samudaya people, starting from the south up to the north Karnataka, covering minimum 5,000 villages.
Which year was this? Sir?
It's 79, 80.
There was no DSS then.
90s, DSS were very active.
Very active.
Very active.
Maybe is it because of that Samudaya took up caste
No,
issues?
not like that. Because you see, in 70, even the progressive all writer talked about Dalit issues. That's a very interesting.
But were there any Dalit writers then, 70s?
Now, of course, there are so many writers.
But whether they were the pressures to ask them to write, or else?
No process. Only instinctive. Because this is the problem. This is the issues every human being take up. That is the atmosphere in that Karnataka that time. You can't believe it. All the, okay, leave Samudaya. Other than Samudaya, the amateur groups take the issues of Dalit issue, the dramas. Actually, we have a cultural leaders like Mantaswamy Madheshwara. Samudaya take up one progressive play, Saksi, and another common usual amateur group impressed, yes, Samudaya did that play, no? We have to take such a play and we have to do better. Like that, almost all prominent theatre groups, amateur theatre groups, they took up the plays, the issues, hungry, caste problem, Mantaswamy and Madheshwara, Baswanna, Akmahadevi, like that. And through that they spoke about Dalit problems. See, that is, I think the influence is a Dalit movement.
DSS movement.
Of course. One or the other way, that influence only, because there are so many agitations, so many seminars, so many lectures. The interaction on Dalit issues in 70s is based on Dalit, and simultaneously, there are peasants movement also.
Okay.
Please tell
No,
me.
you have some.
No, I will talk. See, even peasant movement also, simultaneously, one way it's a Dalit movement and another way peasant movements. See, you can't believe it. There are one very big comment on peasant movement, even led by our great leader, M.D. Nanjun-Swamy. M.D. Nanjun-Swamy is a socialistic background, very big leader, led that. But the including leaders and problems of that time peasants issue, not with the bonded laborers,
Okay.
agricultural laborers. It's almost middle, even the issues of Rait Sangha tackled the middle peasants. The Dalit Sangha Samiti have bonded laborers and agricultural laborers.
Okay.
And we are good friends.
Okay. I don't understand one thing. You are saying that Karnataka was more progressive in the sense the non-Dalits were leading figures in addressing the caste question. But why DSS came out with the name Dalit Sanghar Samiti?
No. Actually, the beginning of the, I think I have to mention, beginning of the seed of first, we organized a conference.
When was the year?
74 in Bhadravati. Leadership of our B. Krishnappa, the first founded member of DSS. That conference called Dalita Lekaka Daleka. Dalita Lekaka Kalavidara Sammelana.
Okay.
See, that is the first meeting. There, this all progressive, non-intellectuals, everybody came to that Samavesha, Sammelana. And after that Samavesha sat and gave the name Dalita Sangharsh Samiti.
But what was the need to organize that one?
It is not only literary and cultural form, it should be a people's form. And we have to get on the street, take up the Dalit problems. We have to protest against this caste and the problem of Dalits.
But you were saying even upper caste were ready to address caste question.
Definitely, even.
Didn't they address before DSS?
Definitely, why not?
They addressed.
Sir, even in 90s, the Sanghar Samiti involved all these progressives about, for example, Dalit Sanghar Samiti last month, we had one very big protest against Dalit problems, against government. We are calling this J.K. Govindra, or I think last 2 months back we lost U.R. Anantmurthy. U.R. Anantmurthy to our platform to talk pro-Dalit against the government. And usually they came. They identified with the Dalit platform. That is regular feature.
So
that is one of the positive in Karnataka.
So you went to this Samadhanam, that cultural troupe.
Yeah, Samudaya.
Then you came out of it, or
No.
Okay.
Still, I am the end of the days. I was there only. After that, actually, we brought out jatas, cultural jatas. Cultural jata, matlab 2 or 3 street plays with the songs. Songs, matlab I have to sing, and I know only the Dalit songs.
Okay.
And whole Samudaya jata became a Dalit jata.
Okay.
Because we involved.
Okay.
And the issues, Patra Sangappa. Patra Sangappa is in Bhadravati, Shumaga district.
Okay.
There is one Patra Sangappa, is a Dalit, bonded labor. He got small call acres land from the government. It acquired one zamindar. And he went with a proper documentation. This belongs to me, and you have to give. He raised, you are my slaver, you are banded labor in my thing, you are asking, and he murdered. That is the issue. After the police investigated and arrest that Lokesh, that landlord to make a jail. That issue we take up as a state level. And another play, believe it or not, Belchi. It's one of the popular play. We performed thousands of shows in Karnataka by Samudaya. Bihar Belchi incident, we take up and dramatized. And Patrasangappa and Belchi, the main place of Samudaya Jatas. And we went.
But do this Bihari Dalits knows that you made a Belchi here?
Of course.
They know it.
No, they know. Because the issues came to parliament.
No, do they know that you are enacting plays here?
They know. They know. But I think there was any very big Dalit organization at that time, I don't know. But they know about Samudaya doing Belchi play. Almost all India cultural scene everyone knows, especially Sabda Razmi, Jannatyam and Chanda, every people knows about this. And second Samudaya Jata only, we take up Raita Nedege Samudaya Jata. Because that time actually, Nargunda, Navalgunda, there are 11 peasants they killed by the police. And Samudaya took that issues mainly. Raita Nadige Samudaya Jata. And again we do 1.5 months, and we worked with the peasants and Dalit organizations. Like that, this cultural organization worked with the these peasants and Dalit organization. Like that only developed. After that, actually, we took the leadership of Samudaya. I became a state general secretary for that. And total state in charge. We had 28 units of Samudaya, all districts. And we have a central committee. Okay, this year what we have to do, what is the theme? What I can do, create the theme.
Only caste.
Yes. Because it's a major human problem we faced at the time.
Yeah.
And after thing, and I went to NSD.
What is it, NSD?
National School of Drama, Delhi.
Okay, you went there.
Yeah.
Okay, when you were secretary here, you were studying.
No. I left the studies. I did my Bachelor Arts. And almost I was regularly in the movement only, and time being I am studied there.
Then when was this DSS you entering?
I was 74, 75.
Okay, then you are going to ND.
No, NSD is after it is 82.
But you didn't tell me that DSS part when you became DSS member, cultural troop.
Actually, when after Daleka, 74, 75, we took up the issues. And
Through Samudaya?
No, not Samudaya. I am not entered Samudaya. The first I worked with DSS only.
Oh, first you went to DSS, then you go to Samudaya.
I started my career with the DSS.
Oh, then tell me that one, sir.
No, that is only, I started only the thing. After that we came, we did Shivamogga and Bhadravati, leadership of Krishnappa, we did Daleka Samavesh. Dalit Lekaka Sahityaka Kalavidara Samavesha. After that we finalized that Dalit Sangha Samiti should be organized in the name of Dalit Sangha Samiti. And after that we took up the issues in different, one of the strong, in Kola there are Sheshagiriyappa. Sheshagiriyappa is not a stately, in that what I told beginning, all, even the subcaste of the other thing, it's the issue of the Dalit Sangha. Dalit not subcaste, not like that. That is why actually Dalit Sangha got a very big canvas. One is a major historical incident tackled by the DSS, Sheshagiriyappana Kole. Sheshagiriyappa is a Kumbar. is a subcaste actually. Dalit Sangha Samiti take up that issues. The landlord of the Kolar, one Taluk landlord, he raped Sheshgiriyappa's daughter.
Anjanamma.
And he murdered Sheshgiriyappa. And Dalit Sangha Samiti took that issue. And almost all Karnataka intellectuals and activists, they went to their villages. And he is a very powerful Jamindar. I think he is politically also very strong. But all Dalit activists, they were in that village. It's a Karnataka issue. The government is shaking. See, that is the...
Which year, sir?
75.
75.
75, 76. Ansuyamma. That girl name is Ansuyamma. Sheshgiriyappa's daughter. And there, Ramaya is writing a poem. Even Ramaya had a very good rapport with Gaddar's team. And we don't have.
Gaddar.
Gaddar.
Telangana.
Okay. The border of Kolar, this group actually having a rapport with Gaddar and group.
Okay.
We don't have that group. And the song of Gaddar, and he took the tunes and the song, translated to Kannada, popularized in Dalit movement. Like that, you see, some of the Gaddar's song emerged in Dalit Sangha Samiti because of Ramaya's credit. Yeah. Like that only, every talukas and district level organized samaveshas and took up the issues of that district, and we had so many very big issues